Hi there guys, welcome to a special unboxing The Walking Dead. Today I got my Represent package in the mail. I ordered the LGjr's Tainted Meat shirts, which proceeds go towards helping educational programs. So let's cut this open and take a look at it. I got two, one for myself and one for my wife. Here we go. Pretty cool shirt. So I'd like to thank LGjr for creating this shirt and putting it up on Represent to help with schools and their educational programs. It's a really cool thing to do. So that's going to do it, guys. I've got mine. Let me know if you got yours. See you guys later.